Alright, I've just gone a mile, and as we can see, this sucker is flat. So I stopped at the gas station. This is what you're gonna find. It'll cost you $1.50, or you can freaking use your debit card now. I just happen to have enough quarters. This wasn't going to get me home. Hopefully, it hasn't come off the rim. If it came off the rim, we're screwed. Looks like I'm getting air in it. Maybe. I don't know. Oh man. Well, as you can see, I blew that. It is off the rim. Yep. Alright, we're not going anywhere. And I looked under here, and that's why we're completely off the rim. This night's not over with. I gotta call the wife. Well, I gotta wait for her to come, and then gonna take me home and get what I need, and then get back here. He's gonna get another tire, get the jack, get the right jack, get the tire, get everything back on here, and get home. So, you know, that's what's gonna happen if you wound up getting a flat out on the highway someplace. Try and use the spare that's been on there for 13 years. And if you've never checked to make sure it's got air in it, it's going to lose air over the years. And it might get you to the gas station. It might not. That didn't even get me down. I don't think that even got me out of the parking lot. Even though it looked like it was sitting high enough to get me out. But it definitely wasn't. So anyway, now I'm sitting here waiting. And in the long run, might be easier just to call you AAA. Another option is to have a can of fix it flat in the car. That'll get you going quicker than having to pull your spare tire off. You won't have to pull your tire off. You just get going down the road, because that'll be fine if you've got a puncture, like it seems like I do. Most people do just get punctures. What that'll do is it'll seal around the nail or whatever's in there that caused the puncture. And once you put the total amount in there and then start driving, it'll start sealing, and it'll also start expanding. So it might get you where you need to go. But best alternative is just to make sure you got tire repair or tire replacement stuff in the car with you, which is, you know, kind of unethical, but you know, again, the safe and easiest way is just to go ahead and call your AAA or Geico or whatever, and they'll send out somebody to help you out. All right, I just ran home. The wife came and got me, so I went home. I got my spare all-season tire. Got my impact. Gotta be good here. There we go. Button lined up. good to go. All right, so we are back and rescued. Puppy down off the jack. All right, sweet. Yeah, we'll get that jack in there. All right, we're all set, ready to go home. All right, babe. All set. Love you. Mwah.
You videotape every freaking
That's right.
thing
That's right.
you do.
That's right.
I.
Hi. See you home. All right. Let's go home. All right. We're on our way home. I'll torque that tire. Torque that tire when I get it on there. Just leave it on there until I get a new tire. Another winter set here. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Crosby's projects. Okay, just to conclude this, there it is. The X-Acto blade right in the side of my wall here. It's not in that. There's no and there's no way to patch that puppy. Ain't that something? That is an X-Acto blade. How the heck I got it, I don't know. Wow. Ain't that unique? No, I found it when I frickin' went to take when I took it out of the car. Something stuck me. No repairing that. Unfortunately. No repairing it. And it's too wide. It's not a puncture, it's actually a cut. Let's see. Let's pull it up. Yep. It is an X-Acto blade. Well, I'll put some air in it, make sure it's that. It's not as deep in there as I thought, but it's broke off. We'll find out. Huh. Because there is two holes there, kind of looking at. So we'll see. Yep, that's where it's coming from. I can feel there, right out of that hole. Yep, and there's no. That's a solid cut. There ain't no plug in that. Oh well. So much for that. And actually it's no big deal because as you can see the treads on this are almost gone. Now I'll see if I can inflate this again for the heck of it.